Where?
Dude, this
Right.
is.
Yo! Yo!
What the fuck?
Wait, what?
Yo, it appeared at the corner, yo. I ain't see
What
it.
is it? What is it? What is it?
I don't know, I didn't see it. I just heard the sound.
Boys, it's time to split up.
Oh,
What is
500 to 1,000.
500 to 1,000. God damn.
What is that? You see that? Bloodstain,
what is
bloodstain,
that?
bloodstain.
Oh, it's blood, it's blood.
Oh, he close. He close. Oh! What the
Wait, what?
Oh! It's a shadow.
Oh my goodness.
The darkness?
Oh, this is insane. I forgot my flash. I dropped my flashlight, bro.
Where you at? Where you at?
The darkness.
Oh, it's crying. Little bitch.
Actually,
Yeah.
what a pussy. Oh!
Shit.
Ah! He's in the corner.
He a peeping Tom.
Yo, that was fucking scary.
Oh, shit.
No, there's usually only one.
Yo.
Man is fucking Spider-Man, yo. He's on the fucking walls. Can you play with the Ouija board?
Dude.
Oh! It's moving from side to side.
Oh, take a picture of it. Take a picture of it.
Where's the camera? Don't you have the camera?
I don't know where I put it.
What?
Oh my god, are you fucking kidding me?
Yo, we're coming. Where are you? Oh shit.
I'm
Oh,
coming.
are you?
I'm outside, I'm outside.
Oh,
Yes.
okay.
No.
Oh!
Okay.
Um,
Oh!
Oh!
I got you, I got you. I threw it at him. I got you. I got you. I threw it. I threw it at him.
Holy.
I just saved someone's life. I just saved someone's life.
Alright, turn on 5.
What happened?
What happened?
Oh shit! Oh! He snatched me!
Oh.
He snatched me!
Yo, he's kidnapping.
He's going upstairs! Upstairs!
I have no light, I have no light. Where you
Yeah, I'm behind you. I'm the
I have
drone.
no idea where I am.
Wait.
Oh!
wait,
You're here! You're here!
Oh, we got the mirror.
Sage got nothing to protect.
Oh my god, where are you guys?
Yo, where?
Please,
where the
turn on
fuck
your
is
light!
so
Turn on your
dark?
light!
It's so dark.
Turn on your light! Please!
Yo.
That was me.
Ah!
I used it to protect me, man. Yo.
Yeah.
Oh wait.
Let's go. Face the demons.
What the fuck?
Oh, I'm looking down. What?
Oh, what?
Who died?
Whoa,
died?
what?
Who died?
Oh, it's because I was looking at the mirror. Oh. Still upstairs though.
Oh!
Throw it.
You missed!
You miss.
Yo, where is he? Where is he? Sage?
He's on the. Nah, it's not in the first floor.
Oh, coming down the stairs.
Oh,
Coming
wait,
down the stairs.
stairs. False.
Oh, Halls.
Throw it.
I missed!
Oh my
I missed.
God.
Oh, he's coming after me! He's coming after me!
I got him. I threw something at him.
Oh
I threw something at him. I got you. Oh, he's right there. What the?
He's coming
What
for
the-
me. He's coming for me.
Oh, first floor. Where the heck?
Yo.
Is he out here?
No,
He was.
he was in the
Oh my
stairs.
God, that shit.
Alright, I'm going back in there. Can I get a 20? What's your 20? What's his 20? Stairs?
He's on the right side.
Like stairs by the main door, or?
Oh yeah. Mean door. Wait, he's not anywhere near you guys. You guys just have to hit him. Oh, he's right here. He's right here in the hole.
Oh.
Running.
Oh,
I got him!
Wait,
I
you
didn't get him!
No.
You didn't get him.
my
Yo, this game is dumb.
Oh, he's
Oh,
here.
oh,
He's here.
oh, I'm dead. I'm fucking
Pick
dead.
it up, Brian! Brian!
Wait, why didn't the light protect Brian, bro?
No way. He just started running at me.
Dude, he's unpredictable.
Yeah,
You gotta
just
hit this repeat. We can't lose.
Oh,
we can't.
popped out of the bloodstain.
Brian
and started
spent way too
sprinting.
much on salt, yo. We can't lose.
Oh, I dropped him. He just popped in my face. He just popped in my face.
Oh, what?
He just popped in my face.
Dad? Are
He
you
just
Yo,
popped in my
come
face. I didn't even see him.
Francis, come back. You got this. You got
Are
this.
you dead? Are you fucking kidding
I'm dead.
You got it. Francis, you got it.
God.
No.
Hey,
Francis,
Francis, listen to me.
come. You got it.
Listen to me, Francis. You can do this.
Oh shit, man.
Dude, he popped in my face.
This is great content for your
Oh
Yeah.
shit, man.
One man.
Come here,
One
bro.
V.
Come here, bro.
He's upstairs. He's upstairs. He's upstairs.
Wait, I'm
Coming down. He's coming down.
Come here.
Oh, kitchen.
kitchen.
It's not fire salt, bro. I hit him. It's not fire salt.
It's not.
No, we actually trolled. We trolled.
I just picked up what Brian bought.
Wait,
we trolled.
no.
It's not fire salt.
Oh shit! Is that not?
It's
Oh!
What has he
my
been
bad.
throwing?
It's holy fire.
Yeah.
Brian's been throwing the holy the fucking
Holy
yeah,
fire.
The salt.
fire salt.
Fire salt, bro.
Oh, my bad.
Yeah, you're good.
My
So much
bad.
money. It's so much
Wait, yeah, that doesn't even protect you, bro.
Wait. Go to JP's body.
Hold on, I got the torch.
Oh wait,
Look at JP's hand.
it's like.
Oh, you dropped it! You dropped it!
Oh no.
GG's.
He's so fast. He's so fast.
Dude, I saw him coming down the stairs and
That's
all
too
of a sudden
fast.
he was here.
Dude, this guy's fast.
Oh, we lost. You got no money.
Oh my
Alright.
god. Okay.
No, that's this time.
Dude, what are you holding? Is that fucking crack?
Yeah, it's meth.
Give us a sign.
Oh wait, bruh.
Oh. You're
What
here.
the?
You just drop stuff.
Okay. Oh.
Ah!
Oh.
Oh shit! He's pulling me.
Oh. Yo. I
I'm
got
upstairs.
myself
Upstairs.
Okay, just keep watching the voodoo doll. It raised, bro.
Holy fire.
Oh, he's pulling me again. I'm going upstairs. Upstairs.
I'm in. Wait, what is that?
Yo.
I'm here.
Good.
And that's lit. What the heck?
Oh! Oh my god!
Oh, the withering like what?
Died.
What?
Oh, what the fuck?
Wait, what?
Oh, he's coming! He's coming!
No! Get off me! Get off me, pussy!
Wait, why did we? What?
Holy shit!
What's
Holy
next?
fuck.
Holy salt!
Literally,
Holy salt!
literally, I walked in there and he just fucking capped me.
He swatted that shit out of your hand.
He definitely wants me dead.
Okay.
Damn, he's in there. What the fuck?
Who got that holy salt?
Ryan.
I got it.
I got the mirror. Oh no way, I died. Fuck.
What?
What?
You died?
What?
Oh, it's the mirror,
I didn't even
bro.
see him.
Stop summoning it!
How did I miss?
Wait,
Dude,
what?
Sage, stop using the mirror!
If you die, I can record it. Oh!
What the fuck?
What?
Oh!
Oh no! I'm going upstairs. Upstairs.
Coming. What?
Oh my god! What the fuck?
I have the flashlight.
I'm so dead. Take me. Oh my god, where are we going? I'm going this way. I'm running. I'm back on the salt. Hey, get ready. It's gonna be me or you, dog.
I'm ready
It's
to
gonna
mash
be
E.
me or
I'm
you.
ready to mash E. I'm ready to
Yeah, me
mash
too, me
E.
Oh my god, he's coming. He's fucking coming. Shut the fuck up, you crying little bitch.
Oh! Wait, where is the
Oh
sage?
my
Where's the sage?
god. He's whispering to my. Stop moving, Francis. Ah! Once upon a time, there was an ogre.
I just see titties on my screen. I just see a bunch of titties on my screen. Oh, he's coming.
Oh!
Oh!
What?
It showed up in my face.
Francis, you got some big
Yeah,
ass
right
titties.
here.
Is it?
Thanks, dog. You
Wait.
too.
Oh,
Oh!
I'm dead. I got it. I got it. I got it.
Oh, let's go.
I got it.
Let's
I got
go.
it. Oh my god,
This
drop
man
my
was
face.
camping you, dog.
Look at him. Look at it. Look in the mirror. You have to be inside.
Oh!
Dude, I feel like
Next one is Skull, right?
if he walks past by you, he can just kill you, bro. Ready?
Yeah.
Oh, where is he, Sage? I don't want to go in if he's near.
He was going
He's not in the first floor.
Yeah, he was
Where-
going upstairs.
I'm in the kitchen. He's not in the kitchen.
I see it.
Where is he? What do you mean? You see him?
How do I use this thing? Oh! I did it. Oh my god.
Oh, we got two.
I am cracked. He's upstairs.
We're all here, pushy boy.
I'm on the stairs. Man.
There we go. It did work. Hey, shoot it. Throw it. You missed.
Throw it.
What?
He
Where'd it
missed.
go? You won't go get him. Do it for the content. Go.
Do it.
Go, motherfucker.
Stairs. Still upstairs.
Upstairs. Go, motherfucker.
Outside or right side?
Left. You're left.
Go.
He's right there. Bro.
It was pitch black! I couldn't see anything! It was pitch black! Where y'all at? Oh, y'all
Upstairs. Putting all the light, my doors. Oh shit! It's in the second floor, bruh.
Oh shit, where'd you go?
Yo, I'm here. Yo, dude, it's facing a brick wall. I don't know what that is.
Brick wall.
Can you talk to us?
Oh, it's in the basement.
You play with the voodoo? Can you talk to us? Can you do anything useful in your goddamn life? Your mother is so not proud of you.
Damn. Hey, you
Damn,
bought
buddy.
another flashlight?
Huh? No.
Yeah, stop taking it.
Oh, what's this? Oh, I gotta lock that up.
Wait, someone take a picture of this. Someone take a picture.
Who's the photo camera?
God, a little bit.
Oh, you did get it.
Yeah, I just need the footsteps.
Take a picture of the ghost's footprints.
Thank
Huh?
God you bought another
Wait,
flashlight,
someone-
'cause that shit is gone.
Dude, I swear the blood prints don't count as footprints.
No, it literally says footprints.
No, the blood stain doesn't count. I think as footprints. I just took a photo of it.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Oh, I think I know what it is. It's this.
What?
Oh.
We throw this.
And then,
Well,
And then
it'll
oh,
show if he
well-
walks through it.
there, right there. Take a picture of that.
Wait, no, we're out of camera stuff, man. Hang on. There's only 3 shots there. They haven't buy another one.
Hurry.
Hang on.
It's disappearing! It's disappearing!
I'm chasing it.
Oh my god.
Wait, what?
Is it gone? Should I buy another one?
Wait, how do you survive that?
Should I buy another one?
I had a crucifix, I had to go.
How do you survive? Oh, yeah, I can buy them.
What the fuck, dude? That's not very cool. Ugh, I got chills.
Wait, what is this again? The darkness?
It's staring. Oh, it's moving.
It is?
Oh.
What? What? It's not moving.
Oh,
Oh my. Oh, bro.
It's my fucking booty, yo. It was my booty.
Oh, yeah, open.
What the fuck?
Yo, can you talk to us? Can you do something? Can you do anything?
Oh my god! Not again, bro.
You play with the Ouija board and voodoo, please. Voodoo man, big man.
What?
I put it up right.
Yo.
So just
I died.
What?
He didn't even make me drop anything.
Oh shit.
Your body
I'm peeking.
his body is on the
I can't see
Ouija
anything
board.
in the mirror.
just flopped. Oh my god, this is the 4th time, bro! I'm tired of it.
Oh, what the fuck?
Oh my god. I'm about to die now. Oh my god.
Oh, he's coming.
I got it.
Oh.
You got it.
Oh, I
You got
dropped
it.
it!
You
No! Hallway now. Going in the hallway upstairs.
Oh,
Okay, I got
yo.
the light.
Okay. He's going. He's
Go,
passing down the stairs. Oh my god, dude! That guy teased the fuck out of us.
Kill the kid!
Fuck you, kid!
Yo,